Do you have a pet?
Yes, I do.
What kind of pet do you have?
Can you guess?
Can I guess? Okay, do you have a pet dog?
No. I don't have a pet dog.
Okay, you don't have a pet dog. Do you have a pet cat?
No. I don't have a pet cat.
You don't have a pet cat. Do you have a pet fish?
No. I don't have a pet fish.
You don't have a pet fish.
You cannot guess. Do you want me to tell you?
No, wait a minute. I'm thinking. Give me one more guess.
Okay, I'll give you one more guess.
I know. You have a pet monkey.
What? A pet monkey? Why would I have a pet monkey?
Because you look like a monkey.
I don't look like a monkey. You look like a monkey.
Okay, I cannot guess. What kind of pet do you have?
I have a pet iguana.
An iguana? How unusual. Where did you get it?
From the pet shop.
How long have you had it?
About 4 years.
Wow. What is your iguana's name?
His name is Winnie.
Winnie. What does Winnie do?
Winnie doesn't do very much. He's quite lazy.
Oh, what does Winnie eat?
Winnie is a vegetarian. Winnie eats vegetables.
That's quite interesting. Thank you for watching channel Dan Sreyoun. Please subscribe, like and share.